Welcome back in my channel, YouTube channel Skills Points, and today we are going to just use how we can set the access permission Google Drive sheet, right? So I am going to open the file here. Now see, this is a one file, right, which I have already designed with some functionality here, like class 10th A, 10th B, 12 science, because see, some teachers, we are going to share this file on a platform. What's a platform? Like there is many subjects, so English, accountancy, business study, economics. The subject teacher, they can enter the marks on this sheet, right, and we can access and analyze the report of the student, right. So I have designed this format with full functionality, right, and now we are going to share this file on a WhatsApp, right, or on another platform. Then the teachers then can enter the marks from anywhere, right. So how we can do this permission? Now see, I have designed here all the things, and then there is a share button, so just click on the share, right, and the people access this file name, and if you have a email address, you can put in this place. Otherwise you can general access permission you can set here. Say this is the access permission, this is my, and on our I have created this. So now you can give the access permission to all, anyone with this link, or here is a role of this, right. So viewer, no, we are going to give the permission as a editor, right, and updating, and you can just click on the save. That means the teachers can access this file and they can enter the marks anywhere from the, right. Suppose that I am going to enter the marks here, so you can see the functionality here, auto generated report, right. See the marks of those 5 subjects and the percentage, auto calculation, and the rank. You can see the rank also, right. So suppose that English teacher entered the marks, and they, but the value is out of the 30, so we cannot enter the maximum 30, max to 30, right. So you just enter here, right. See here, auto functionality, the this is first one, you got a 21%, right. So got a first place, the 2 students got the same, then second and the fourth, right. So this is a functionality of this. So clear how we can share and how we can give the permission to teachers. Again, I'm just going to click on the share button. Here is a anyone with this link. So you just set, you will set editor, and then done. Got it? Fine.